Can I have one of those, please?
Hi, Crystal.
Hi.
I'll give you. Just for one.
Can I have all these?
Okay, give me two.
What?
Got two then? Here.
I'll let you have. Which should I give her?
I just want the spinning ones.
They're fun.
Give me one more.
Guys, don't.
Give me one more. Please?
No, only three, like you said. Can I use these?
Hey, Crystal, get out the street. Crystal, get out the street.
Crystal, no. Someone's leaving their house.
Whoa!
You really gonna blow that away? Blow that out? Who's that?
That's Trey, Bailey, yeah,
Sergi was with him?
I don't know. I didn't see it. What the crap? Oh, that one jumped.
Brandon!
Hey, Crystal.
Brandon!
Crystal, look.
That's pretty cool. I like barely got that.
Brandon, the light's on his camera?
Yeah?
Is the light on? The light's on?
Dad, can I do it in the mirror? Dad, can I do it in the mailbox?
No. Yeah, right. No, you're not supposed to.
Brandon, don't that.
No, you're not supposed to do it in the
That's
mailbox.
awesome. It did like a full backflip.
You're not supposed to do it in the
Can I do
mailbox.
it in the sewer?
No, you can get in trouble.
Then why did Bailey do that?
They're not supposed to.
You guys see that? This is like about to break.
Yeah, bro. Yeah. Put on, bro. The last one. Sorry, we should have done two at a time. We should have done two at a time.
Crystal, don't go on the street.
That's so cool. It was like a full backflip.
What's this? What's this, Angel? I don't know. I think it's a firework. Let's do this. Okay, we'll put all three of these in that thing, okay? Come on.
What thing?
All three of these things in that cup.
How many you have all at the same time?
Why?
How many do it?
And I'll do this one. I'll do this one. Awesome!
That will make it go fire. You want fire.
Awesome!
What was that, Crystal?
What?
Awesome.
Yeah.
Say it. Crystal, say it. Oh, you all right?
Let's see if it can go in the grass, Dad.
No, it serves fire.
What is this, Brandon? Brandon, what is this?
What is what?
This. Look. Dude, what is this? Go, 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 go! Oh, Brandon, I thought it was the thing.
No.
Brandon, what is this? Where's the cracker?
Oh, that's camo smoke. Have it?
No.
Let's get a feeling there's a lot of smoke and fire. Look, it's a ring. Crap, it's not.
What?
It's like a ring. Fire, Crystal, just light it. Want to throw it under here?
Yeah, I'll put that in.
Ow, it's hot. Hurry up, Crystal. Hurry up, put it in here. Jesus. Ow, why'd you put it in here? All right, there. Crap, watch out.
Stop, stop. Oh! Is it hot? Is it hot? Oh. Well, first I throw this. With this.
I prefer it.
I forgot what to do with.
Hey!
How did you like that thing?
Joe, watch out. There's a lot of smoke coming out of it. It's very hot.
Where'd you get this from?
In there. Trying to look. Found it?
The eyes are okay? What's wrong? They burning?
Smoke out of my eyes.
They burning?
Found it yet?
Yeah, it's right here.
Hold up. Let me light it.
It's right here. Here, you gotta take the paper off.
I know. Put that.
Ow!
Sorry.
Watch out, be careful. Right there, right there. See it?
Bam! Here we go.
Okay, go a little bit closer, Crystal. Over here. A little bit closer over here, Crystal. Yeah.
Okay.
On the end of it. On the end of it. Look out, look out. Look out. You keep moving. You keep moving. Crystal, you keep moving. Crystal, you keep moving. There it is.
Whoa, one. What are these? 4. All of them are broken. 5. 6. Oh, smoke bombs. 7. What are these? 8. Oh, these are 9. These, Brandon?
Supposed to have 10.
Really light one.
I have 9.
Oh my God.
I had 9 too.
You did? Then they lied to us. They owe us 2 more.
Fat people. What is these? Oh. Stop recording me.
I'm not. I'm recording.
Ouch! Squirt this at you.
Oh, it looks so cool here. It's like oh, it's a flare.
Did it hurt you? Hey, Dad, I'm gonna do this at you.
It's so cool here.
No.
That looks so cool, Dad.
Whoa,
Did you like one of
yeah.
mine? You're supposed to.
Isn't there, Brandon?
Oh, that looks so cool.
Now, who wants to hear this one? Let's all do this one. Come on, you know? We're all gonna do this one. Dad! Dad,
Look
look!
at there.
Dad, we're gonna do this one, the biggest one.
Okay.
Justin!
Here, Crystal.
We're gonna do this one. I know.
Watch out!
Here.
The gold and silver treasures. Okay?
Bam! Whoops.
You ready? Oh, you hurt my ear, Brandon.
Sweet Michelle, where's the one that like flakes?
That's it, Anjo?
Oh, I thought it was bigger.
There's more.
I think the little missiles are better than that.
Dad, hold it. Dad, hold it. Hold it. No, it's not.
That's it, Anjo?
I didn't know that. I thought it was a good one. That sucks.
Probably get the missiles are better.
Come on, Dad. Hey, go this one.
Be careful.